mode.
All right, guys, Corey here with the European preview. We'll get stuck right into it. A few of the headlines coming out. For those of you who didn't see, more shootings in America, California. So what do you expect? Everyone's got a gun, going to have some shootings, but they'll still get a bit angry if you try to take one away from you. So one of those in the news today. Nothing really new besides that hasn't come out, since earlier this morning. When I was first doing an Asian preview, but I'm kind of checking out the dollar index. This is where we were at earlier in the Asian session, and now it's kind of slowly, gradually lifting off. So people kind of took profit. It comes down to this support line again. And everyone in the Asian session is starting to see the headlines coming out. Yelling, talking, being a bit. Oh, sorry, phone's ringing, guys. Sorry about that. Hold on. We'll get one to pick it up. There we go. All good. Yeah, so everyone's starting to buy now. Seeing Felon's comments, kind of slowly picking up positions, but slowly, gradually heading to the top side. But yeah, going over a few of the majors, checking out, see what went on throughout the day. So we did see trade balance come out in the Aussie today, as I'll show you right here. Expected was 2665, came out negative at 3305, and you did see it kind of go from 73 down and test 7280, and gradually bouncing up back towards its previous highs, kind of searching for that resistance line up there. But if you go over to the yen crosses, the reason for the stalling of the Aussie on the downside could be because of the cloud. So you see Aussie come off right after that data, and it just kind of stopped right above that cloud. So I think that's where we saw a bit of buying back in the Aussie, shooting back towards the top side. So we will keep it on this level as well. Again, a nice, gorgeous setup going through the top side of this cloud. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe possible opportunity for a bit of a break trade to the downside. We do get people, buying U.S. dollars and then more bit of weakness in Aussie, but we'll see. Kind of slowly check that one out. But tonight, what do we got? We do have the ECB, which will be a major event coming out, and that's not until about midnight our time. So about mid-morning for you in the UK and North America. But just going over to checking out the euro again, kind of testing the previous highs that was yesterday. Kind of sticking the range bound. But depending on ECB, you could see this thing move 200 points in either direction. Where it does shoot to the top side if they act like everything's okay, or where they do just cut rates. You see it shoot to the downside. So definitely an opportunity that we will be checking out in the next session. Also, we do have the services PMI in the UK. So again, UK, massive services industry, so that will be a major number. Everyone's caught short as well. Pretty weak data across the board throughout the week already in the UK. So I'm thinking if we get, risk will be to the top side. So if we do get some strong numbers in services, you will see this thing kind of shoot back up to the top side, back up towards that resistance around 150.60. So that's something to keep an eye on. Coming up at 8:30. So we should be covering that in the webinar. I believe Gibbo is covering that for you guys, checking it out in Slack and on the GoToWebinar. But looking at the euro yen, kind of a nice little setup as well. If these positions are going to hold before the ECB, I'm happy putting a break trade just in case they do cut, or if they do come out very dovish with ECB statement and conference. So we'll definitely be looking at that. This was the one I was talking about yesterday, the sterling yen. Gorgeous little setup there. We'll take advantage of that. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. Really the main thing will be the services PMI out of the UK. I'll just give you a bit of a preview. I know Gibbo will be covering this thoroughly, but services PMI expecting 55, with a range of 54.9 and 56. So low of 54.9. Oh no, sorry, low of 54, high 56. So that's what we'll be expecting. And then I'm checking out the range of yesterday just to show you guys. Structure PMI not that big, but 1657 is the range. This thing came out 55.3, so that's a massive miss, which is why you got that massive move to the downside. So again, market's probably short, so I think the risk will be to the top side. We do get a stronger number in the services PMI. So above 56, you'll see this thing run to the top side real quick. So something to keep an eye on the next opportunity. And then I'm sure Gibbo will be touching on the ECB throughout the night and throughout the day for you guys, giving you updates. But that's really it for me, guys. Again, I'll check out the dollar yen for you. Not much in it. Just kind of came down slowly, gradually going to the top side. So sticking range bound. So I think this might be range bound until non-farms on Friday night. So besides the services PMI and the ECB tonight, after that, you will see some big moves. But remember, we do have the non-farms again on Friday, so you might see quick profit taking beforehand. So that's it for me, guys. Best of luck trading. I will get these charts updated for you and up on Slack shortly, as well as the market insight page on the members area. So best of luck trading, guys, and we will speak to you soon. All right, cheers.